We've updated and simplified our online access enrollment process. Now it's easier than ever to enroll and manage your money online. Here's how. We do recommend enrolling on a personal computer or device that you know is secure. On the Hanscom FCU homepage, click on Enroll in the Online Access HD box. Fill in the information requested on the enrollment form, then click Continue. A pop-up box will confirm your enrollment. Click Continue. Select a delivery method for a secure access code from the contact information in your file. Enter the secure access code into the pop-up box and click Submit. Set a new password and click Submit. Verify your contact information and notify us if anything is incorrect. Click Next. Read and accept the user agreement. Register the device if it is a private computer that you trust. Do not register if you are enrolling on a public computer or one that is used by multiple people. Upon your selection, your online account information will open. Now you have access to all the convenience and money management tools of Hanscom FCU's Online Access.